everyone, this lesson is going to be on mass extinctions, and what we're going to be looking at in this lesson is basically how extinction and mass extinction are different, how those two things are different. So in the last lesson, we talked a little bit about extinction, and we said extinction is the dying off of an entire species of organisms. And one of the things that should be noted from last lesson is that extinction is a natural process. Evolutionary pressure is always felt on organisms and populations of organisms. Populations that can evolve and change to suit the environment will end up surviving and passing on those good reproductive traits. And the ones that can't survive in the environment, they die off and those traits don't get passed on. So if by chance an entire species of organisms can't adjust to their environment, then those organisms will go extinct, and that's a natural process. The difference between extinction and mass extinction, though, is the number of organisms that are actually dying off. Mass extinction is usually caused by some major climate or global event, and it is going to be when over 50% of animal species die. So when we look at the 5 mass extinctions that scientists have kind of looked at as far as in Earth's history, we have the Ordovician, we have the Devonian, the Permian, the Triassic, and the Cretaceous. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a little look at each one of these. And this is a little simulation. You can go back in to the Google slide and check this out at some point in time if you want to go back. But like the Ordovician mass extinction, it talks a little bit about what is happening, what are the environmental factors. So it talks about sea levels going up and down, erosion, change in atmosphere. Affected species, 80% extinct. So these were the affected species, 80% extinction rate there. If we look at the next one, the Devonian, rapid growth of land plants. Here are some environmental factors. Land plants consumed carbon dioxide, which caused global cooling. So the interesting thing with this is land plants actually caused this major change in the environmental conditions. So this affected 75% of the species, and these were things like fish and corals. The Permian extinction, massive volcanic activity in Siberia. So lava covered a lot of areas. We had sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, acid rain, ocean acidification, global warming, 96% extinct. And the affected species were things like amphibians, early reptiles, insects, trilobites. So these organisms, 96% extinct. So then we had the Triassic extinction, and this was underwater volcanic activity. Carbon dioxide levels rose, global warming, 80% extinct. These were things like amphibians, reptiles, the bivalves. So this was the Triassic extinction. Then you have the Cretaceous extinction, asteroid impact, volcanic activity, tectonic uplift and erosion, 76% extinct. And this is the one that probably is best known because this was when the dinosaurs were, this is where the dinosaurs went extinct. So this is called the Cretaceous extinction period. So these are the 5 main ones. And right now, one of the things that scientists are looking at is, are we in the process of the 6th mass extinction? So a large number of current ecological threats have moved extinction rates above normal levels and potentially put numerous species on the path to extinction. So are we on this Anthropocene extinction that basically would end up being caused by human activity? So this is kind of what scientists are looking at right now. So that mass extinction simulation is in the Google Docs or the Google Slides presentation. So if you want to take a look at that, you can. So how are extinction and mass extinction different? Extinction is just the dying off of an entire species of organism. Mass extinction is where there is a major event in which over 50% of animal species die. So if you have any questions, please drop into office hours or message me and say that you want to have office hours if you need to have another time other than 1 to 2 p.m. I hope everything is going well, and if you need any help, I'm here to help you. Bye.